Hey beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review few of the clean deodorants. Here is the sneak peek. So these are some of my few favorite deodorants that I use at the moment, and these are the clean brands. We have the Desert Essence, and this is tea tree oil deodorant, non-GMO, long-lasting protection. I think there are other deodorants as well in Desert Essence apart from the tea tree oil, but the one I have is the tea tree oil, and this has been infused with calming lavender, and it's aluminum free deodorant, provides long-lasting odor protection and soothing skin benefits. Inherently antiseptic Neem and Australian tea tree oils, neutralizes odor causing bacteria, while lavender, chamomile and aloe help calm sensitive skin. Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I think this is the one that I got in Whole Foods, or Fresh Time is the one that we have available, which carries like the all natural and clean products as well. So I'm not sure like from which one I got. It could be either a Whole Foods or the Fresh Time. So I really loved, and it started working for me in the initially, like as soon as I put it on, but after using for 3 months or so, it stopped working for me. And this is also one of those like antiperspirants where you would not sweat if you apply it, but like what's happening these days is that even if I apply it when I wear like a really nice dress and then I want to be sweat free, I still started sweating on this one. It stopped working. It decided to stop working on me recently, so I switched to some other deodorant at the moment, but I still love this thing and I want to give it a shot after a few days. I will take a break for a few days and then I'm going to retry this thing. And next we have this one right here. And let me show how it looks inside. It's Briogeo Be Well Tea Tree plus Eucalyptus Clean Deodorant, and this one has no aluminum, talc or parabens. Tea Tree plus Eucalyptus Clean Deodorant harnesses the power of natural ingredients to help neutralize odor and soothe irritation. Potent tea tree and eucalyptus minimizes odor, and coconut water calms underarm sensitivity caused by frequent shaving. This is the one that I'm using at the moment, and this is really long lasting for me. That's the reason I really love this product, and I started using it like maybe I would say 3 months or 4 months back. So just give it a shot if you're looking for a clean brand and that's also long lasting, and if you have a sensitive armpits like me whose armpits tends to discolor, please give it a shot. This might work for you and this could be the product for you. And next we have this beauty right here. It's sage deodorant from Beautifly. Sage deodorant combats unpleasant odors and conditions the skin botanically with absolutely no harmful chemicals. Deodorant is enriched with organic herbal leaf extracts, castor oil, essential oils, aloe vera juice and arrowroot, formulated with freshening and nourishing intention. It deodorizes your body without any harmful chemicals. Sage offers deodorizing effect, and raw thyme, it cleans and invigorates the skin, and organic witch hazel has a soothing effect, and organic neem leaf, it's a Ayurveda medicine and modern naturopathies that neem offers skin soothing properties. And I also love this thing, but it's just that I'm not sure if this is really for sensitive skin, because my underarms are kind of sensitive, and it tends to pigment for really strong deodorants. So this does it, but it's just that it smells so refreshing that I really love about it. So this is refreshing. What's the thing that I really love about this product is that this is clean and clean beauty product. It has no antiperspirant, so you would be sweating like normally how usually you do, but it's just that it prevents you from the odors. So it prevents you from the bad odors, which is really good. And if you're looking for something like you don't want any antiperspirant, and you would want to sweat normally but still have, and still if you don't want to have any bad odors, then please give it a shot. And I tried using it, and I really love the smell of it. It smells just like sage, and like one of those you would have like the refreshing feeling. But sage, I think this didn't work for me, because my underarms are kind of sensitive, and this is too strong for me. I started discoloring for some reason. So I definitely want to give it a shot after a few days, and like try to use it every other day, and then once my skin adapts this thing, then I would want to use it like maybe every day. But as of now, I'm using it like at home, and whenever I don't want to have any bad odors, that is when I use this product. But that's about this. So these are my absolute favorites as of now, and please do let me know how you like my video so far, and also comment below if you want to see, or like if you want me to try any of the deodorants that's favorite for you guys at the moment, which are clean brand. And please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.